Stardew Valley has a wide variety of mods, and while there are many to choose from, I'm just going to be talking about two of them, the fishing mod and the tractor mod. The fishing mod I use for Stardew is called Simple Fishing, and this mod is great. It takes the difficult game mechanic of the fishing and just makes it easier so you can actually fish. I'm a terrible fisher, so this is really helpful for me, also in real life. Every once in a while I'll catch a fish, but it's not very often. So if you're struggling with fishing, definitely check that out. And finally, the other mod is called the Tractor mod, and this one's just called Tractor. It will allow you to have a tractor in the game, and this is useful for planting crops because it would save so much time. I've tried this mod and it will give you a tractor garage that you can purchase from Robin, but I've never actually gotten to the point where I have a tractor in the game, but it does show up, so I'm pretty confident that it will work. So if you're running around all the time and your character is always exhausted, you might want to look into this because it will save you time and your energy. So try it out. Let me know if you like it and recommend some mods that I maybe haven't heard of. Let me know if there's any other mods that you would like to see me talk about, and I'll try to do that for you. That's it for this video. Make sure to check out some of my other content, and check out Sexy Okami because he's a friend of mine and he does gaming. So if you're into that kind of thing, definitely check him out. He could use your support. Alright guys, see you next time.